What's up everybody, it's Max and Kim. Welcome back to another video.
Today we're going to be exploring Ha Long Bay and the surrounding islands around Cat Bar and climbing some really epic hikes.
But first, let's rewind 5 hours.
Today we are in Cat Bar, we have made it and we're doing a tour around the bays of Cat Bar.
Cat Bar Island is actually on the coast of northern Vietnam. It's quite a popular destination just below Ha Long Bay.
It's a perfect place to come. It's a little bit cheaper than Ha Long Bay and you get to do a boat tour around Ha Long Bay, but saving you the cost of actually staying on a boat in the bay.
Hopefully you guys heard that. The tour we booked is a one-day tour going from 8 AM till 5 PM. So we just got picked up and driven to the port, we think. We got given our trusty lanyards so everyone knows that we're on the tour, and then we got given our ticket for the ocean or the waterways to go around where we're going to go today.
Yeah, which is probably like the conservation type fee that everyone has to pay, which is 80,000.
The boats do look pretty cool. Are you the first mate? Okay, so we're no longer sitting with the captain, we got upgraded to the roof terrace. So to book this tour for one person, it's 350,000 dong, yeah, or about $14 US.
Yeah, different companies are a little bit, like the prices do vary a little bit.
Yeah.
We just booked it through our hotel where we were staying, and it was the cheapest.
We're pretty sure no matter who you book with, unless you pay a lot more money, like 10 times more, it's going to be exactly the same boat. It's just different tour companies put a lot of people on the same boat.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So we're on the boat for probably 45 minutes to an hour, and then we've stopped at our first stop for the day. We're going to go kayaking. We get an hour and 20 minutes to go kayaking, and you do have to wear a life jacket apparently. Also, there's 3 caves, but one of them is closed, so only 2 of them we're allowed to go and see today. So that's cave number 1, but that's blocked off with nets. So we're going to walk around this way and just follow the yellow brick road of kayakers. This is our ride. Wow. Look at that little crevice. Only way in and out of this lagoon is that little cave. And it's low tide, which means that we probably can't kayak back out. We're gonna have to get out of the kayak and walk it through the cave, but it's pretty cool. Only way in and out, tiny little tunnel. Made it back on the boat safely and they didn't leave without us. It is absolutely beautiful here though, but it just reminds us of El Nido and Coron so much. There's literally a million islands here, so it's like you got 10 El Nidos and put them all next to each other. That's how I would describe it.
Well, kind of. I think the main thing is that in El Nido, all the formations are just kind of joined together. We're here, they're like separate islands.
So they've prepared us some lunch and stuff, so we're gonna go eat that, and then I think we go to the beach. So lunch is all done. We've come to the 3rd stop of the day, which is swimming, so we're here for about 40 minutes. And we've literally got 3 or 4 private beaches surrounding the boat.
Yeah, and we can swim where we want and jump from where we want, but just one side of the boat.
Only one side.
reflection of the moon. And everybody with me on the
So I think this is the third or maybe the fourth stop. We've made it to Monkey Island. So you can go swimming here, you can check out the monkeys, and you can also do hiking as well. The main thing we've just been told, no matter what you do not leave anything on the beach because the monkeys will steal it.
And from here, if you want hiking, go straight and turn left. And from the top, you can see on the bay. You can take a picture on the bay from there.
So first we're going to do some hiking. Apparently from the top of Monkey Island you can see most of the bay. And then after that we're going to go and check out some of the crazy monkeys. A little bit of rough terrain here on the hike. The final step. Hope you brought your rock climbing shoes. Check out this view. This is unreal. Everyone else is coming up. Hopefully no injuries. This is just not even real. That is 100% worth the dangerous hike in the 35-degree weather.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long, maybe like 20 minutes.
Definitely bring covered shoes. We did it in jandals and slip-ons and it was pretty difficult.
Yeah, I would not recommend.
The rocks are quite sharp as well. But I mean, the view is worth it. It's so pretty. Oh no! You're walking over some dark abysses there.
Yeah, don't want to lose my jacket, little one.
That is us all done for hiking. Now we're going to actually go and check out some monkeys because that's what Monkey Island is called after all. But yeah, check out what you have to climb up to get here. This is no joke.
You're not going to get lost. Follow me right now.
Yeah, just follow the tourists. So we made it back down safely and the beach is absolutely packed. The tide has come in. You can get food and drink here on Monkey Island, but it is expensive. So for a big water it's 30,000. The monkey area in Monkey Island has probably 10 monkeys and 100 tourists.
If you're just making a trip and you want to see monkeys, don't come to Monkey Island.
Maybe go to Monkey Island down in the Trang.
Yeah, but if your tour does do a stop at Monkey Island, absolutely climb up to the peak. It is amazing.
We're running late, so we've got to make it back onto the boat. Alright guys, that is the vlog.
He's gonna jump on me.
We're scared this little monkey behind us is going to jump on us. So real quick, we hope you enjoyed.
Where's he going?
Oh, he's going into the bag. We hope you enjoyed exploring Cat Bar Island, Cat Bar Bay and Ha Long Bay as well. It's been absolutely amazing.
So cute, the monkey.
Next time we see you, we'll actually be in a new country, which is going to be very exciting, so stay tuned for that one. We've got big things in store.
If you are coming to Vietnam, put Ha Long or at least Cat Bar on the list of places to go. It is as cool as everyone says. We've had an amazing day and we probably do it again tomorrow.
Yeah, it's actually been a really, really relaxing day tour. Normally,
yeah, it's not like any other tour you do where you feel rushed, you don't have enough time at places. Every time we've kind of finished before we needed to be back at the boat, and in between you're just chilling on the boat, and it is so, so nice.
I would highly recommend coming here and doing this tour. It's the same tour no matter where you book in Cat Bar, and it's pretty cheap as well.
Yeah, other options around Ha Long, other overnight ones, they're a lot more expensive, so that's in your budget. We've heard that they're incredible, but if it's not, like us, make sure you do one of the tours from Cat Bar.
If you haven't already, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face. Other than that, stay safe. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I wonder where my boat will go. Oh my gosh! How are there not more crashes? This is absolute madness.